Supporters of a bill to overhaul Illinois' criminal justice system are trying to win public trust before sending it to Governor Pritzker's desk.
Critics of the plan say it's not too late to stop it from becoming law. WGN political reporter Taman Bradley is here now with more on what both sides are saying.
Ray and Micah, good evening. This bill passed almost a month ago, but we're still talking about it. That's because when you have a measure that is hundreds of pages, it can take weeks to fully digest it. Today, more discussion about some of the more controversial reforms. With Governor Pritzker likely to sign the sweeping criminal justice reform bill, communities across Illinois are bracing for the fallout. The 764-page measure passed in the waning hours of last month's lame duck session. Many are only now understanding what's in the bill.
There are some problems with the bill.
These have been discussions that have been going on for years.
The reform that's garnered the most attention is the push to end cash bail. The bill would mean almost everyone would be released from jail while awaiting trial unless a judge decides a defendant is a danger to the public or a threat to flee. Lake County State's Attorney Eric Reinhart supports the bill.
Nobody should be held in jail awaiting trial simply because they're poor. This bill makes everyone safer because it has judges focus on whether or not somebody is a threat to the community.
The Illinois Association of Chiefs of Police wants changes.
We'd like to see the governor veto the bill. We have a great concern that dangerous people will be running around quickly after they're arrested.
The cash bail abolition would take effect in 2 years. Next, the bill requires police officers be licensed by the state, allows for anonymous complaints against officers, and mandates the use of body cameras. Officers would be held responsible for turning the body cam on. The bill does not eliminate qualified immunity, the protection for officers against certain lawsuits. Police chiefs are worried about the financial burden, potential punishment for officers, and use of video.
It creates a new class of felony for an officer who violates policy or state law regarding the use of body camera. There's a provision in there that says an officer cannot review his or her video, before writing a report. That makes no sense.
The reforms also provide more rights for people accused of crimes and victims. People in police custody will be allowed to make 3 phone calls, while barriers are removed to help people access the state's Victims' Compensation Program. The legislature still has not sent the bill to Governor Pritzker. Lawmakers say they'll get it over to him soon so that he can take action within 60 days, Mike and Ray.
All right, Taman, thanks for letting us know.